next month.
Many Hoosiers are turning to the sun to power their homes and keep the lights and AC on. Today, we were there as a crew installed more than 24 solar panels on a home. Hoosiers who have been through this process before say it's easy with the help of a local co-op. These groups can help you through the entire process, from getting the right permits to hiring contractors. Experts say most people who go solar are concerned about rising energy rates.
They're looking in the future and they're seeing situations where they feel like their prices are going to continue to increase. So that's one reason. Second reason, some homeowners are concerned about what's going to happen when the grid goes down, or maybe they've experienced a grid outage, so they want to have power when the grid is down. So for those systems, we can install a battery backup system.
Other Hoosiers say they've switched to solar over concerns about their environmental impact. Last week, President Biden invoked the Defense Production Act to help manufacturers get the supplies they need to make solar panels. Kevin.